Hello class, this is the spelling test for list number 1 for April 13th, 2018. First, make sure you have selected your name from the list. After you hear the word, you can pause the video so you can type it. You can also rewind the video to hear the word again. Do your very best. Here we go. Number 1, toe, toe. Ouch, I stubbed my toe. Number 2, find, find. I will find my doll. Number 3, long, long. That snake is very long. Number 4, day, day. What day is it? Number 5, did, did. Did you see that truck? Number 6, down, down. The ball rolled down the hill. Number 7, low, low. The swing is too low. Number 8, no, no. No, I do not want any broccoli. Number 9, boat, boat. We rowed the boat across the river. Number 10, oat, oat. Oat is in oatmeal. Those are the words for this week. See you next time. Great job.